Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your criminal defense knowledge with Avvo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Avvo website at www.avvo.com. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access all features. Use the search bar to find criminal defense attorneys in your area. Review the profiles of various attorneys, noting their experience and ratings. Explore the articles and legal guides available on the site. Search for specific criminal defense topics that interest you. Take advantage of the Q&A section to ask questions you might have. Read through answered questions to learn from others' inquiries. Consider following attorneys whose insights resonate with you. Utilize the Avvo blog for updates on criminal defense news and trends. Participate in discussions in any available forums. Bookmark useful resources for easy access later. Check for webinars or events hosted by Avvo or affiliated attorneys. Take notes on important concepts or strategies you discover. Regularly visit the site to stay updated on new information and resources. By utilizing these tools, you can enhance your understanding of criminal defense effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.